Hello everyone, welcome to my garden. My name is Anna. So it's been a little bit over 2 weeks that I haven't really been in the garden. So it's a mess. There is a lot of things that need to be harvested, and I need to cut the grass and clean up some plants. So that's what we're doing today. So let's get to work. This is a little mess I have. My strawberries are just vining like crazy, so I'm gonna have to remove some of those. And this is how it looks right now. I don't like letting the grass get too long underneath these benches because snakes like to hide in there, and that creeps me out. But yeah, we have a bunch of tomatoes ready to be harvested. By the way, I have some tomatoes over here growing that they just volunteer, and they are the champagne bubbles. I'm gonna tie this one to go up the swing. You see that? I have tomatoes growing down there. So yeah, now let's get cleaning. Good morning, everyone. So it's the next day. Last night it got pretty dark, and I just decided to do the rest of the cleaning and harvesting today. So I'm gonna start with one bed and harvest and try to clean up as much as I can, and then go on to the next one. So let's get to it. So here I have some lemon squash. I think this was my favorite, or this is my favorite squash this summer. This is egg shooting star eggplant. I've never grown it before, and it has a tiny little eggplant, and it's really cute. I will show it to you in a minute. It's super cute. There you go. It has better support. I know this one needs some too because it has some fruit and it's kind of heavy. So let me see. Let's put it right here. Now let's harvest some eggplant. There you go, that's better. It looks more clean. I forgot to bring a trash bag. This is my first cucumber of this year. Pretty excited. So this here was supposed to be a Jubilee tomato, which is a round yellow tomato. But for some reason I have a Roma tomato, which I don't mind. I like it in salsas and stuff. But yeah, I was excited to try the Jubilee tomato, but I didn't get to this time. So I might just start another Jubilee plant today, just to make sure that I try them. But yeah, that sucks. But it's okay though. This plant is loaded with tomatoes. It's so heavy, it's like dripping over the tomato cage. This is the black strawberry tomato. I already ate one and I really like them. They are so cute. They're super pretty. And the plant is loaded with tomatoes. So we got 4 today.